Employees in building efficiency are focused on creating energy-efficient, comfortable, safe and productive indoor environments. And nowhere is this more obvious than in the Middle East, where employees are using Ingenuity to meet the needs of some of the world's largest district cooling companies, with products that are keeping people comfortable and buildings operating at peak efficiency in some of the most challenging conditions on Earth.
In the summer, it gets very hot down here. We get temperatures in some days over 50 degrees C.
July in Qatar, it gets up to 120 Fahrenheit.
Here in Saudi Arabia, temperature it reaches up to 50 degrees centigrade.
These are very extreme temperatures when it comes to the cooling demand that we have to serve to our end users and customers.
Here in the Middle East, we have a lot of buildings coming up at the same time. So rather than putting in individual air conditioning units to each of the buildings, the developer will put in a district cooling plant which will feed the chilled water to those buildings.
Sustainability is basically what drove the UAE's government to select district cooling as a way of supporting the mega projects that are coming up regionally. District cooling is more energy efficient, better for the environment. It minimizes the consumption of the power and gas.
The advantage of using district centralized cooling plant with a high efficiency chiller in the plant reduce the electricity demand almost 50% and reduce the carbon dioxide emission. This will help in the global warming.
Johnson Controls is one of the leading suppliers of technology and equipment for the industry that we are in. And we have had a very close relationship with them from the beginning.
The most important really in Johnson Controls is their recognition of the importance of supporting the environment requirement in this part of the world. They are the first to introduce environmentally friendly machines.
They take it upon themselves to continuously improve the efficiencies and performance of their chillers to withstand various challenges with the different environments in different regions.
Everything that we do has got to be sustainable, and it shows that we're working for a responsible company that's responsible for the environment, responsible for the community.